What's up, y'all? So for today's video, we're gonna give it one more shot. Auxbeam sent me out their new headlights. These are actually pretty dope. They're called T1. They're like temperature rated bulbs. Like, I guess it changes with the temperature, I think. I don't know. I'll talk more about it once it comes to install of it. But today, we're gonna finally put on the new headlights, and hopefully these H1 bulbs work. I pray they work. I am tired of just driving with no bumper, then my headlight be falling off the damn car because it ain't got no bolts.
I remember you was conflicted, misusing your influence. Sometimes I did the same.
So yeah, let's get today's video started, son. So the products I'm gonna be running on my headlights, hopefully by the end of today, would be the Auxbeam T1 series. I'm grateful that I was able to exchange the H3 bulbs they sent me for the H1. They sent me both high beam and low beam. So let's start removing these. If you didn't catch my old video, or this is probably your first time, you know, uninstalling headlights or whatever. They're gonna be two 10mm up top and then 2 on the bottom, but I only have one there, not one there, and then this side is obviously broken. So I could just pull this right on out once I disconnect the HID kit. So let's get the new headlights. All right, so we're gonna remove the old headlight again. Just that simple. Once all your bolts are removed, pop goes the weasel. Here's the replacement lights. Oh my God, I still can't get over how pretty these things are. Jeez, just, oh my God. Sweet, sweet God. Okay, so fast forward a little bit. I got the headlights all bolted in securely with 3 bolts. I didn't put a bolt there because I can't find one, and I didn't put a bolt there because I couldn't find one. But it's all good because I got something in the works right now where I should have all this looking pretty if you catch my drift. Well, not all of it, but some of it gonna look pretty. I'm gonna have to order probably these bolts from Honda or something. I don't know, which I'm gonna do because I gotta clean up the bay. If I get this all cleaned up, then this is next. I gotta make the bay pretty, son, because this right here, this is just, nah, son, nah. I need cleanliness. See how ghetto that is, bro? I can't get caught lacking in these streets, you feel me? Can't do that, son. So now I got the headlights all bolted in or whatever. I'm going to start the process of soldering these wires together. I think red, just go with red. I don't think it matters about which red with red. So I'm just gonna match up the reds and then the blacks, and then that should be okay. Let's get the soldering beat. I mean, I think I'm soldering correctly. I don't know. I hope I'm doing this right. I don't want to film it because I don't want to get too roasted. I mean, I don't mind getting roasted, but I don't want to get way too roasted. Hopefully this works. I just gotta put some heat shrink on it, but I don't think I got heat shrink. So what's the next best thing? Electrical tape. And that's what I'm about to put on this bad boys, huh? All right, light on. Please work. Please work. Please work. Yeah, they're working. Oh snap! I think they're working. Yeah, they're working. Woohoo! My connection is lit, son. My little Harbor Freight soldering thing, little technique works, huh? Use this lighter to heat them up to make it as if it is heat shrink, and looks pretty good to me. So I'm gonna move on to doing this side, and then we shall be golden. So I'm actually gonna film this side so y'all can see my technique of how I solder, even though I don't think it's the right way how to solder, but it works for me. That's pretty much how I solder. Don't think that's the right way at all, but it works. So, all right, just finished up hitting it with the lighter. Let's see if I did this side correctly. So, let's see. All right, side markers are on. Check. Lights are on. Check. Check. Okay, we good to go. Time to install those headlight bulbs. Let's unbox these new Auxbeam LED. Ooh, I got a nice sticker. Ooh, I got 2 stickers, boy. Ooh, clean. So when you get your package, this is pretty much how it comes in. You just remove the top cover, and then I expose of those new freaking headlight bulbs, son. So this is the new LED that they just recently came out with. It's called the T1 series. It's a temperature bulb, and I'm gonna place on the screen what exactly it does because I forgot. Alice, if you're watching, I'm so sorry. I'm the worst. I am the worst. But these bad boys are B, son, and they got a little accessory pack. Let's remove this cover and see what the accessories is. Oh, it's not a cover. It's actually a thing. So let's unbox this and see what this is. Accessories. Oh, okay, cool. So these are the canvas connectors. I'm not sure if I'll be able to run these on my headlights, but it's cool that they include these just in case. So that's awesome. Okay, so I'm kind of confused. Good news is that the bulb fits inside the little crappy H1 socket or whatever. The not so good news is I don't know how to keep this from moving out. Like, it fits in there perfectly fine. But this right here is being a pain because I got to figure out how I'm supposed to lock this in so it doesn't move. And then this part doesn't even fit this thing. So it's like, well, looks like Christina is still without new headlights. Well, I'm gonna keep these headlights in. I just can't drive my car at night. The bulb is not gonna work. In order to run these headlights, I'm gonna need a new connector because this connector does not fit into this at all. And I can't splice and dice anything because, well, looks like it's only just one freaking wire, so I can't really do anything. But I am able to put back on my bumper, so that's a plus. Got all the signal lights all wired in. Let's just put on the bumper, I guess. Only thing we can do, really. Look how off it is. It's good to see a bumper back on the car, even though it's all crashed and whatnot, but it looks good, kind of. Not really. Now it looks like an Integra. I got the bumper all zip tied on. It looks like trash, man. It's only this is what I hate. But it's okay, because tonight I'm gonna order all the stuff I need to make sure when I put the new fenders on, everything is flush. So that should be okay. But other than that, it looks like a car again. Just wait till oh my God, let's look at the diffuser. Oh my God. I should just put on the spoiler right now to show you guys what the car is gonna look like. Just imagine paint on it. Yo, son, it looks like a car again. So, somehow out of nowhere, I decided to use my brain for once. And I have working headlights, but sadly, actually, let me just show you guys. What is this? Hey, that bulb ain't on? You son of a... Oh, cause the night. Hold up, son, hold up. But look at that, boy. Your boy got working actual headlights. Wow, what a downgrade. Now, how I was able to actually have headlights running, I just went up to my old headlights and then took out the high beams that was in here because they're H1 and those are H3. These are H1. So I just plugged them in and here we are. I made it to the place where I'm shooting the car and bro, I'm falling in love with this. Like, look how good this looks, man. Like, oh my God. It's crazy how different your car could look with just a minor part. Like, the diffuser sets the car off like crazy. Like, and then you got the PCI side skirt. Tomorrow I will be installing the new part for the front end of the car. I hope you guys are excited for that. But, man, I just took the product shots for top one and man, it looks so good, bro. Like, I'm loving this diffuser, bro. Just, damn, son, it looks so clean. I'm gonna get a couple more shots and then we're gonna head back home and see what else we can do for the remainder of this video. I see you like to band up. I see you grind the pan up. I see the dope the pan up. I see the dope the pan up. I see the break of land up. Let's start the talking to jail. Alright, so just got back to the cribbo and my mom said I had a package. So let's see. She's not here though. Look what we have here, boy. Zosh. Oh boy. Who this from? It came from Canada, from Ventus Auto Works. Whoa! Can you guys guess what this is? I mean, I'm pretty sure you can, but tomorrow it's going down. Me and Randy got an install for y'all boys. Oh, I can't wait to. Oh my God. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you can, please please smack that like button for me one time. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe because I upload every day, bro. Like, I'm the most daily uploader that you would ever meet in your entire, like, every time you're on YouTube, I upload it. Every time, bro. Like, I don't mess around. Like, does this look like the face of a person that don't daily upload? That's what I thought. You know your boy daily upload. Like, y'all know I do this, huh? You like how I shape-shifted into my new... Shape-shifted? What? You like how I appeared in my new... What am I talking about? I don't know, man. I do hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it wasn't, like, too entertaining in the aspect of, like, me doing fun and exciting things. But let's see what we did today. You know what I'm saying? Let's recap today. I finally got my new headlights in. I got lights on my headlights now. I mean, sure, they're not LED bulbs. Sure, they're not HID bulbs. But guess what? Your boy do got working headlights, son. And that's not even the half of it. The other half, I finally got my bumper on. So no more, oh, God, bro, Zosh is boosted, bro. None of that, son. They gonna be like, damn, that car making jet noises, bro. He boosted or what? I don't see no intercooler. Intercooler. Something is really wrong with me, man. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm about to edit these pictures right now and send them over the top one. You guys want to see a sneak peek? Whatever, I'm gonna show y'all anyway because y'all the homies, bro. I gotta show my homies. So these are all the pictures I took today of Christina in her natural habitat, as in being parked. But some of them came out dope, some came out blah. But I'm gonna edit all the dope ones and send them over the top one. And hopefully they post it and be like, yo, son, my homeboys Zosh rocking our top one red diffuser, bro. Y'all grab y'all's all today at top1motor.com. And one more thing before I dip up out of here, I do want to start doing the car reviews again. So if you have a clean car or Stan's car or please be a I want to drive a fast car. If you have a Subaru too, I want to drive a WRX for some reason. I really want to drive a WRX. I drove the Evo 8, drove the Evo 10, but I really want to drive a STI, man. I've been watching, what's that show on YouTube called? Damn, man, it's about Subaru. I forgot what it's called, man. I'll put the name on the screen of what I'm talking about, but I really want to drive a WRX, bro. Like any car, really. So if you got a car out there and you want to be featured in a Zosh video, don't know why, but if you do, message me through my email or Instagram. Both links are down below. And that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow with another install video of something dope. I can't wait, son. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace. I broke my lens. Why do I gotta stop hitting my lens so hard? Cause like if I break it, I'm screwed. You know what I'm saying? Like if I go like boom, I just gotta go like this. Like where I cover it, but I don't know. I'm bye. Bye, man.